Let's start the day by shaking off the sleep and waking up those muscles with this quick 5-minute routine. No equipment is needed, just a mat and a little space. Whether you're at home, outside, or even at the gym, this energizing sequence is perfect to loosen up, get your blood flowing, and set the tone for the day. We're hitting the entire body with a mix of stretches and dynamic movements, each lasting 1 minute. By the time we're done, I promise you'll feel strong, flexible, and ready to crush your day. Let's hit the mat. Start on all fours. Spread your fingers wide, tuck your toes, and push your hips up toward the sky, forming an inverted V shape with your body. Press your heels toward the ground and let your head relax between your arms. Feel the stretch travel from your calves to your hamstrings, all the way up to your spine. This is a full body wake-up call. If you need to, pedal your feet gently, bending one knee and then the other to deepen the stretch. With each exhale, sink a little deeper into the stretch. Feel your body opening up, releasing tension from the night's rest. Keep your breath steady and strong. Come down onto all fours, wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale deeply as you drop your belly toward the mat, lifting your chest and tailbone. This is your cow stretch. Now exhale as you round your spine, tucking your chin to your chest and drawing your belly button toward your spine. This is cat stretch. Move back and forth at your own pace, letting your breath guide the rhythm. Feel the gentle ripple effect through your spine as you flow between these two positions. Each movement wakes up your back and shoulders, prepping your body for the day ahead. Stand tall and step your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Drop down into a deep squat, keeping your heels planted and your chest upright. From this position, place your right hand on the ground and rotate your left arm up toward the sky, creating a T shape with your body. Hold for a breath, then return to the squat and repeat on the other side. Keep alternating for 1 minute. Feel the stretch in your hips, inner thighs, and shoulders. This move is waking up your lower body while opening up your chest and back. Stay strong. Your body is building power and flexibility with each twist. Stay in your squat position. Now, grab your toes or ankles and straighten your legs, bringing your hips up into a forward fold. Then drop back down into your squat. Move through this dynamic stretch at a steady pace, letting your hamstrings and hips loosen with each repetition. Breathe deeply and let the movement flow naturally. This is all about releasing tightness in your hamstrings and activating your lower body. With each repetition, feel your range of motion improve and keep breathing. Finish strong. Stand tall or get in a kneeling position. Clasp your hands behind your back and lift your arms as far as it feels comfortable, opening your chest wide. If clasping your hands is tricky, grab a towel or simply place your hands on your hips and draw your elbows back. Take deep breaths as you hold this position, Feel the stretch across your shoulders and chest, undoing all the slouching from sitting or scrolling. Each inhale fills you with energy, and each exhale helps you relax into the stretch. Stand tall, proud, and ready to tackle the day ahead. And there you have it, fam. 5 minutes of movement to wake up your body and set the tone for an amazing day. Feeling energized? Smash that subscribe button and make these stretches part of your morning routine. Don't miss the chance to take your fitness to the next level. Click the link in the description to grab your free customizable fitness program, packed with everything you need to build strength, stay flexible, and eat smarter. Keep moving, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.